Yo, what is good, YouTube? How we doing, boys and girls? We back with another video. I'm being transparent, bro. I lost, and I dead fake crashed out. I'm not gonna lie, fake crashed out. I had to close myself off the charts, but luckily I didn't even need to close myself off the charts because Tradify did it for me. I thought for a fact I blew my shit. I thought I blew my shit. I didn't blow my shit because I'm like, oh, I still got money left. But when I was trying to get into another execution, it wasn't allowing me to because I basically breached and reached my daily loss limit for the day. I never had a daily loss limit before. I've never really worked towards that. But in this video today, we're gonna be going through we're gonna be looking for a job. We're going to be looking for a job. Alright? Welcome, Jamal. That's my name. Nice to meet y'all. We're gonna be looking for a fucking job. Because at this point, bro, trying to trade is like, I don't know how to explain it, bro. But fuck. Do not mind this trade right here. That was paper. It's fucking crazy how the paper worked out in my favor, but oh my god. But the actual trade that I was going for today didn't. So after I took this trade, I was like, fuck. You know what I'm saying? Because I really wanted to see this occur. You know, we were moving up high. I was seeing a lot of bullish momentum. The only thing that I should have been aware of was the fact that we did take this high. It was an Acer session high. But I was like, you know what? Maybe we just want to retest that high. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we want to retest that high. But I didn't. I really should have looked at the context. There was a whole SMT, right, with ES that we had. I didn't want to analyze that, and I wanted to instead go for longs instead of shorts. It was a very obvious bullish day, especially after we had this crazy dump. But after we had this crazy dump, I was like, fuck, like I can't do anything after that. So it's very crazy to see that had I just been just a little bit patient, not trying to go off the market open, and I just waited for the retracement back into my gone, and then this 5-minute rejection block that we had right here, this would have been roughly a 10R trade, a 9.5R trade, bro. A 9.5R trade. It's unfortunate, but at the same and the reason why I had my standard deviation leg is because this was like I was looking to see what we're targeting, and then obviously my target was down here at these lows because I wanted to see price come in and take out roughly these equal lows, or just the area with a bunch of volume and consolidation. But yeah, do not mind this. That's not the importance of this video. The importance of this video is for me to be transparent and let you guys know I basically hit my daily loss limit today. I tried to go crazy on this trade. I really did. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want anything crazy though, you know? Like, this would have been fine. I wanted to take this high first, but at the same time, this was my original target. We didn't get that. As soon as the market came in, as soon as we came into the market today, I was like, I'm seeing longs play out. I wanted to see this big ass 3-minute, 1-minute, 5-minute, whatever you want to call it. And I think 15-minute gap, bro. This 15-minute gap, I wanted to see it play out. It didn't play out. Not even in the slightest. I was looking on the left hand side, seeing the inversions that we got. So I'm like, okay, cool, maybe we just want to retest the low. Nah, we didn't retest the low, and instead our ass just started dumping. After I saw we started dumping, I wasn't trying to chase the dump because that's not how I trade. And you know, better discipline is better than me trying to go FOMOing and getting a couple of bucks. Cool. So I was like, all right, cool. After this, I just had to hop off, bro. I had to, because not only could I not take another trade, but at the same time, I have the live execution. I'm not posting that, bro. I really crashed out, bro. I swear to God, I crashed out. I crashed out so hard because I'm like, bro, like, is this even worth it? Like, is it even me? Like, is me spending so much time trading and all this, like, is it even worth it? And, you know, I want to be optimistic at the same time, but I'm also being realistic because I'm human, too. I have human emotions. We all have human emotions. There's times where we feel like we don't want to trade. There's times where we feel like, does this shit even work? You know what I'm saying? But I always look back to the months where I was being profitable and I had like consistent payouts as well. So me just thinking about that always keeps me motivated, and also just the fact that I'm being better. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going back to my bad habits. I'm not smoking. I'm not doing none of that extra shit. I'm just literally locked in and focused. So no matter what, as many times as I feel tempted to want to do certain things, bad habits, go back into it, fall into the trap, I gotta remember that being 1% better every single day is better than me depleting myself and, you know, like, detrimenting where I want to be, where I see myself. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to let y'all know, be transparent with y'all. I did take a loss today. You know what I'm saying? Very unfortunate loss because the draws were pretty obvious. after I saw this displacement, it was pretty obvious, especially with the bullish intent that we had. One thing about it was ES was springing up, and I should have took that as context instead of me thinking, oh yeah, we want to go higher. No, you know, that doesn't always mean we want to go higher. Instead, we just got to wait. And that's something that I lack today. A lot of patience. I lacked patience today. Trump didn't hammer me. Nobody hammered me, pause. It's honestly just me versus me today, and that's why I lost this trade. You know, I'm gonna be transparent with y'all. I ain't gonna let y'all think that, like, you know what I'm saying, like everything is like butterflies and rainbows over here. But yeah, I'm about to go head out to the gym now. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we got all these opportunities, man. We got all these opportunities. We gonna have to start job searching at this point, because it's starting to look like it ain't looking too good with trading, man. It's not looking too good. Like, that ass, it's not looking too good. I'm still being positive, you know what I'm saying? I'm still always staying uplifted, and I'm sticking to my rules at the end of the day, because me trying to force setups, force trades, if it's not an A+ setup, and if it's not, I could take 2 trades, but if it's not A+, like to the point where I could get back in and lower my risk to take it, I don't want to take it, because I don't want to get back into a trade and risk more just because I took a lot from the first one, you know. So I just want to be transparent with y'all boys, man. Hopefully, I know for a fact y'all smacked today. Today was really beautiful. I really hope y'all smacked today, because no cap, even if y'all didn't catch this one right here, as you see, let me just remove the S&T. And it's unfortunate that I caught this on fucking paper and not and not my actual account. We tapped into this right here. We tapped into this gap right here. Beautiful gap right here. Had this beautiful reaction from this gap. After we had that reaction from this gap, we had this rejection. So honestly, what you could look for, if you want to use a gun, if you want to use a fib, doesn't really matter. How I would use this is perfect. We tapped into it, perfectly tapped into our zone 2, but we don't really even need that. You can honestly just put the limit order as soon as we come in. So right here, as soon as we retrace back into this, stop loss is at the high, probably like I don't really do the 10-point stop. I don't care about shit like that. And then yeah, target down here. Your draws are now all the way down here. Beautiful trade, bro. Beautiful fucking execution. Hopefully y'all boys smacked on that, and if not, that other trades as well, because there were definitely opportunities to just catch the shorts. But yeah, hopefully you guys had a blessed one. Take care of yourselves. I'm about to hit the gym. We finna have a good ass workout. I'm finna hit chest today. And yeah, man, God bless. Y'all be safe and take care. Yeah, bro. We gonna have to start looking at jobs. Dead ass, bro. We gonna have to start looking at jobs. I'm not gonna cap, bro. We gonna have to get like a 3rd one, 4th one. See what's going on here. I like this one here. I might actually apply to this shit. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see though. But yeah, love, and y'all stay safe and take care.